Hi, it's Matt Toronto with Aesthetic Care here in Liberty. And most people who come to an aesthetic center like this, they come for a reason. Maybe they have some sun damage, maybe some wrinkles, rosacea, acne scarring, a variety of different conditions that they would like to see improved. And we laser focus on what is your main concern. When that happens, that is just the beginning for us. Because what we really love doing is teaching you how to have amazing, youthful looking skin for the rest of your life. We've developed a maintenance plan. It's called our Stay Forever Young program. Our skincare professionals, once we get your skin looking great, will sit down with you, and out of a menu of many of the most advanced treatments available in aesthetics today, we'll design an annual plan for you that will keep your skin amazing. And when you commit to this plan, we give you a 20% discount on the plan. And then for the rest of the year, you're gonna have an idea of what you should be doing, not only treatments, but how you should be taking care of your skin at home. When you come here and we treat you for certain conditions you're concerned about, and we get your skin looking great, just remember, we've got a great plan after that you are gonna absolutely love. We look forward to seeing you very soon here at Aesthetic Care.